This is a program which produces the output string generated by the turning machine when input string is given. I have taken the exercise problem 4 from 13.5 Rosen textbook. Initially, I am building the turning machine. I'll go to that method. Here, this turning machine is defined by these 5 tuples. I have taken a map and I'm putting all the 5 tuples in the map, and I'm returning these 5 tuple here, and from the command line arguments I'm taking the input string and I'm storing in input string, and I'm sending this input string and 5 turning machine to the produce output method. In this method, initially I'm adding the input string and I'm adding the blanks to the input string through this method. I'm taking two blanks at the end and at the begin. Uh, and I'm converting the input string into the character array. I'm considering initial state, current state as S naught. I'm taking while loop, and in the while loop I'm taking the condition I less than equal to length of the character array minus 2, because I'm not considering the first two blanks. So I'm taking third element as a start. Here in this C, it will take the third element, and I'm taking the present string by with from these 5 tuples, and I'm generating S naught hyphen 0 with the help of current string and hyphen and the character, present character. It means the first character, then these total becomes a present string, which is the key in the map. With the help of the key, I'm getting the uh, first first three elements of the 5 tuple. I'm storing in the current state values. The first element in the current state values is the next becomes the next state, and I'm replacing I'm replacing the out, output value with 1, because the out further S naught as a current state and 0 is an input to that. The next state is S naught, and the current state and the next state is next output value is 1, and I'm moving to the right. I'm replacing the value with 1 in the input string. For that I'm using the replace method, and after replacing the output string I'm changing the current state with the next state, and here if it is moving right and I'm incrementing the I, it is initially started with 2, so it becomes 3. If it is moving left, I'm decreasing the I value, and until the condition fails, I'm iterating the loop. It means it completes all the characters in the character array and finally gives the output string. And I'm printing the output string. Then I have drawn the block diagram of this turning machine. I'll show in the word. S not comma 0, it means the current state is S naught, and if input is 0, it, it goes to S naught only. If input is 1 also, it goes to S naught. The outputs are 1 and 1 also, 1 here, and it moves right in the these case also. And the next is, if current state is S naught and the input, if input is B, that is blank, it goes to S1 and moves left, and the output is also blank. In the same way, it the S1 is a current state and it goes to S2 when input is 1 and the output is also 1 and it moves the right. This is a block diagram of this turning machine I have taken in the program. I'll show you the output. I'm entering the input. The output string is 1. I'm giving another input 0 0 0 and the output string is 1 1 1. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.